Here we're going to write the equation of this circle in standard form using the information I have in that yellow box. So if you look at this circle, we see that the center is over 4 up 3. So the center is 4, 3. And the radius is the distance from that center to the edge. So you can see that is 1, 2, 3 boxes. So that's why we have a radius of 3. So when we use this standard form, all we need to know is the x and y coordinate of our center and the radius. So let's fill that in. So what I like to do is first write the equation with the empty spaces for the numbers I need to fill in. The biggest mistake I see people making is, especially when there's an x and y coordinate that are negative, that they do not subtract that negative number. So that's why I like to write this and put those big subtraction signs there. So my center in this case, the x coordinate is 4. So I'm going to subtract that from x. The y coordinate is 3. So I'm going to subtract that from x. And the radius is 3 also. So that's the equation. Now let's look at one that has an x and y coordinate that are 0. So again, my center is already given to me here. So I go over -4 down 1. That's why my center is -4, 1. And then the distance from the center to the edge, that's how you get the radius, and it's 5. So let's fill that into that standard form. So the x coordinate of my center is -4, so I'm going to put -4 here. The y coordinate of my center is -1, so I'm going to put -1 here. And then my radius is 5, so put a 5 there. Now in this case, again, you need to make sure that you are always subtracting that x coordinate, subtracting the y coordinate of your center. And you just need to simplify, remembering that subtracting a negative is the same as adding. So this becomes x plus 4 and y plus 1. And that's your answer.